welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about child themes and what they are, why you need them, and why we are learning them. Let me just close off those notifications. So child themes are pretty much themes or copycat themes that inherit styles and all sorts of other things from a parent theme. In this case, it's going to be Site Origin North, and then allows you to customize it to your liking. So imagine it like this. You have a copy of Microsoft Word. You can do whatever you want with it. You can write text, you can format it, you can create documents, you can do all sorts of things. But what if you wanted to add or edit or do some cool things to Microsoft Word? Well, the way you would do that is by creating a new blank software. And what that software does is inherit and suck up all of the features from the parent software, which is Microsoft Word. So it copies all of the features and then allows you to customize it without in fear of harming Microsoft Word. So you can do all sorts you can edit it, add features, you can do all sorts of things without having any risk of damaging your parent software, which is Microsoft Word. So this is kind of how child themes work. In this case, Microsoft Word is Site Origin North. What child themes are is basically an exact copy of a theme of your choice, and you can edit it hard-coded. So of course, themes are coded by hand. That's the only way you use them in WordPress. They're not built with page builders or anything. But if you want to edit it by code, you can't actually sort of edit it without having some sort of risk of damaging the theme. So this is if you're using the default theme, the parent theme, Site Origin North. So you're always going to have some sort of risk of completely screwing up the theme and having to start over from scratch. So what child themes do, it's quite complex, but they eliminate this risk by sort of inheriting the features from the parent theme and then allowing you to edit it. And if there's any mistakes, you can simply revert back to the parent theme and everything will be fine. So that's a very simple explanation of what child themes are. And even though we're not going to be doing any hard coding with this, we might as well get used to it from now. So the way you do this is, first of all, make sure you have the Child Themify plugin installed. So I'm just going to open up that. And I want to show you need to have this Child Themify installed. So next, you're going to go to your appearance and then themes. You're going to make sure that you're selected with Site Origin North, and then you're going to click Create Child Theme. Now, creating child themes by hand is an extremely long and difficult process, and I don't want to put you through that. So I'm going to use the power of WordPress plugins to let someone else do it for us. So it'll bring you to this page. You're going to click Select a Parent Theme, and under that, you're going to select Site Origin North, or whatever theme you're using. Then we're going to name our child theme. So I'm just going to name this Our Child Theme. And we're going to make sure that that's valid. And there is a little bit of validity issues when it comes to title and theme names. And it's quite weird. There's a few characters that are bad. I'm not going to go into it because it's unnecessary. But just make sure that this is green and ticked. After that, you're going to click Create Child Theme. And then you're going to click Go Check It Out. There we go, our child theme has been created. And notice how it doesn't have an image, and that's because there is no actually set image for the theme. So again, WordPress gives you a default framework to build your theme with, and you have to sort of insert a few missing blanks. So your picture, your title, a few other things. But here, this is a child theme, so it does not take any picture. So we're going to go ahead, just like any other theme, click Activate. And notice how we deactivated the Site Origin North theme. But if we go back to our website and click refresh, you can see it's exactly the same. There's absolutely no difference. And that's because all of the features are actually inherited from here. Make sure you don't delete this. Keep this around just in case something goes wrong. So you want to keep that. But there we go. Now our child theme is enabled and we can begin working on our website.